important issue regarding Nagaland state. Madam, in Nagaland, there has been heavy rain with thunderstorms since April 2018, and for which normal life have been disrupted since 26th of July this year. Madam Speaker, Nagaland State Capital Kohima, along with the other districts, have been completely cut off since 26th of July.
Yes, you could. Yes.
Since 26th of July, and there is a severe crisis because of continuously raining in the state.
Yes.
Madam, during this period on 27, 6 people have been washed away, out of which 5 of them are students, and still 3 bodies have not been rescued. Madam, you know, Nagaland State do not have railways, airlines, and waterways, and we depend only on road transport. And therefore, with your permission, I want to request the Honorable Home Minister to kindly send the officers to see all this that